I see them a try instigate a war between Vybz Kartel and Masicka in a dance hall. And I say, that now go work skip. Because the level where Vybz Kartel up on right now, Vybz Kartel don't need to clash with no artists. And even the level where Masicka up on right now, Masicka don't need to clash with no artists neither. Because the two women them out there, it's not like say them they are beginners. The man them have them thing lock and pot. Seeing on a door road and a melt up tar. So that now go work skip. And there them have to read between the lines. So I say, because you walk me now. I see Masicka drop a song with you know. And all them depend. Masicka aim at Vybz Kartel, Masicka aim at Vybz Kartel. So the item I try instigate a war between the two artists, which to me is a null and void them say something like that. Yeah, it not go happen. It not go happen. Watch the movements where the man them make out there in the earth. The man them thing that normal, especially Vybz Kartel. Way up, far up. Masicka thing not normal neither. And the man them do them thing. Why should the man them go clash at this moment? Tell me what the sense that make. That not make no sense. No, yeah. You have to left them thing there to doctor man and some next man run around the place. It's right? Yeah, man. Let peace reign in a dance hall, man. When we want to see the two artists them do just like hit songs and just bust up charts and billboard charts and just send dance hall go someplace. At that day them have to pray. At that one have to pray and stop pray war. It don't make no sense. Shocking Morris said that.